Welcome to our channel. Today, we're breaking down how to apply for a Target RedCard online, step by step, simple and easy to follow. Step 1. Visit the Target RedCard website. Go to the official Target RedCard page on Target's website. You can choose between the credit card or debit card version. Step 2. Click Apply Now. Select the card type you want and click Apply Now to start your online application. Step 3. Fill out your personal information. Enter your name, address, date of birth, social security number, and income information. Make sure all details are accurate to avoid delays. Step 4. Review terms and conditions. Read the credit card agreement carefully, including interest rates, fees, and benefits. Check the box to agree to the terms. Step 5. Submit your application. Double-check your information and click Submit. Target will process your application and give you an instant decision in most cases. Step 6. Activate your RedCard. If approved, you'll receive your RedCard in the mail. Follow the instructions to activate it online or via the Target app before using it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides.